Welcome to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we'll be making beef jerky in a Ninja Foodi. Because it has a dehydrator, and that's how we're going to make our beef jerky. So I just put a few in there, a few layers here. The beef did oxidize a little bit, but that's totally fine. Okay. Yeah, we're going to marinate this for about 8 hours or so. So I need some. We'll toss some honey garlic in here, and it's fairly sweet, so that's good. So toss some honey garlic in there. Okay, and you wanna just make sure you get it all throughout the layers. Okay, now we're gonna go olive oil. Good for flavor too. So. Now, 1,000 cloves of garlic in the inside, and we need salt. Okay, a fair bit of salt. That's good. Like the video. Pepper. Okay. I'll put a bit more pepper in there. We want some spice in this thing. All right. Some cayenne pepper. A little bit. It's very crazy. We're going to spice this stuff up a bit. Okay. And some thyme in there. Thyme. Some onion powder. Yeah, I'm always using somewhat of the same spices, but I'm trying to switch it up a little bit for the marinade. Italian seasoning. Okay. And we got some garlic powder. A little bit of Montreal spice left. Soy sauce. Soy sauce in there. Okay. Oh, put some beer in there. Voila. Okay. And we are going to mix this. That's pretty much it. We're just going to mix this up. It's all happy. Yeah, we'll probably marinate this for at least 4 or 5 hours. Should be good. Because we're just kind of marinating it for the flavor. So that's fine. Oh yeah, this is going to be some nice beef jerky. All right. Yeah, this is the first time I've made beef jerky, so this is kind of a new thing for me too. So we'll do this together and see how it turns out. All right. Okay. Let's wrap that up. So, and that's gonna marinate for definitely a few hours for sure. I'm thinking 4 hours. Then we'll come back and we'll throw it in the dehydrator for like, I don't know, 8 hours I think, and we'll have some nice beef jerky. So that's step 1. Okay, so our meat's been marinating for a good 4 hours or so. So that's good. You can do it for longer. You can do it like overnight for like 8 hours. Is good too. But 4 hours is good amount of flavor. So it's good. Okay. Now we're gonna take our pieces of meat here. They're quite big, which is fine. And we're just gonna lay them on our grill here. Okay, like so. It's a little juicy, so we'll toss them on the grill. Okay, it's not a level surface, but it's okay. We'll make it work. Okay, and put the next piece on. Oh yeah, if you can smell this, it smells so delicious, very delicious. All right, this can be some nice beef jerky. All right. Put them on this side. All right. Look at that. Perfect. Okay. Got it on the grill like so. 150 for about 4. I guess it'll be about. We'll chuck it at 5 hours. Let's go. Toss it into the air fryer. Yeah, you know what? It'll be all right. It'll do its thing anyway, so that's fine. Okay. Now close the lid. Okay. So yeah, this is, I've never, listen to this as, even as a meat cutter, I've never made beef jerky. This is a total adventure, a total food journey, so be fun. Okay. Turn on the dehydrator. 150, perfect. So come back in 5 hours and we'll check on our 5 hours. Okay, come back in 5 hours and we'll have a look. Beef jerky, and it's really good. Leave me a comment. So our beef jerky is done. So there it is. It's been going for just about 4 hours, and it is really good because I did cut it quite thin, so I'm liking the texture and how it turned out. It's pretty good. This is the top section or whatever. It's a bit more spicier probably than the bottom part, so I'll kind of move it to the top because it gets more, it seems to get more air in the top, so we'll do that. But yeah, the top part is like way drier, so we'll put the this part for another hour. So if you ever make it, do the top one for 4 hours, and then the bottom one, move it to the top after and do it for another hour, and you should have, but yeah, it's some tasty beef jerky. I can't believe I've never made this. So awesome. Finally have made it. Oh my god. I'm liking this, and this is I did season it with more like pepper and cayenne pepper, so it's has a bit of a bite to it, so very good. I think I'll probably do it with this one. We'll go a little bit of pepper, just to give it a bit more spice. Okay, no, and a little bit of salt. This is a sea salt. It's good. Okay, and cayenne pepper. Not a lot, but a little bit. Gives a bit of a spice. All right. Close this back up for an hour, and we'll see you soon. Hour and 10. Boom. I'm gonna walk away with this and nibble on this. Okay, so this is our completed beef jerky. It's all dried up and ready to nibble on. It's really good. It has a bit of a bite to it. Like spicy wise. It's really good. Definitely a good effort for the first ever beef jerky. Right here. Take a look at that one. Yummy, yummy. And thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.